Have you ever thought about the energy consumption of your daily appliances? Our everyday gadgets are big energy consumers. But here's the good news, you can reduce this consumption significantly by opting for energy-efficient appliances. Those with the Energy Star label are designed to save you power and money. Plus, they're a fantastic way to love our planet a little more. Investing in Energy Star appliances is, without a doubt, a smart move for your budget and the planet. If you like this content, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel for more content you will enjoy. Let's shed some light on this bright idea. Ever wonder what makes LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, the luminous marvels that they are? Simultaneously, these lights give you a golden opportunity to make a positive change for the environment. When you adopt LED lighting, you're reducing your carbon footprint and playing a crucial role in the protection of our planet. If there was ever a time to take a step towards sustainable living, it's now. Not only do they consume less energy, but LED lights also last 25 times longer than their traditional counterparts. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost of switching to LED. Yes, it may seem like an upfront expense that's higher than what you're used to. But in the grand scheme of things, the cost of switching to LED is an investment, not an expense. Ever wondered about the unseen energy consumption in your home? This invisible power drain, known as phantom energy, is caused by devices that continue to use energy even when switched off. It's like a silent tap, leaking electricity and inflating your bills. But worry not. By simply unplugging devices when not in use, using power strips, or investing in energy-saving plugs, you can significantly reduce this hidden energy drain. By addressing phantom energy, you can tackle a silent bill inflator. Are drafts and leaks sneaking into your home? Imagine your house as a fortress, keeping the cold out and the warmth in. Every crack or gap is like a secret passageway for the enemy wasted energy. This is where home sealing and insulation come into play. By filling in these gaps with caulk or weather stripping and insulating your walls, floors, and roofs, you can effectively block unwanted drafts. The result is a more energy-efficient home that's comfortable year-round. Sealing and insulating your home creates a fortress of comfort and efficiency. How well do you manage your thermostat? This small device has a big impact on your energy consumption. Small tweaks in temperature, a degree up or down, can contribute to considerable savings. It's all about finding the sweet spot where you're comfortable without overworking your heating or cooling system. By mastering the art of thermostat management, you'll strike a perfect balance between comfort and savings, showing that sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Is your HVAC system a friend or foe to your wallet? Well, that largely depends on how you care for it. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system runs efficiently. A well-maintained HVAC system not only performs better but also consumes less energy, leading to noticeable savings on your electric bill. So, just as you'd service your car for a smooth ride, service your HVAC for a smoother, more efficient home environment. Regular HVAC maintenance can transform your system into an ally for efficiency and budget. What do your windows reveal about your energy savings? Windows are more than just a view to the outside world, they're a gateway to energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows can drastically cut down on heating and cooling costs by reducing the amount of heat transferred. Furthermore, incorporating energy-efficient window treatments can boost this efficiency even more. Energy-efficient windows and treatments can dress your home in style and efficiency. Do you know the underestimated power of ceiling fans? Ceiling fans, my friends, are more than just spinning decor. They play a vital role in maintaining comfort in your home while easing the burden on your often pricey HVAC systems. By creating a draft, they make the room feel cooler or warmer, allowing you to adjust your thermostat accordingly and save energy. Is hot water burning your budget? Here's a cool tip. Lower your water heater's temperature. Most are set to a steamy 140 degrees Fahrenheit by default. Dialing it down to a comfortable 120 can reduce power consumption without compromising on comfort. Plus, insulating your water tank can keep the heat in and the cold out, reducing energy usage and saving you some hard-earned cash. Remember, hot water need not burn a hole in your budget. Ready for an energy audit adventure? An energy audit involves a comprehensive review of your home's energy consumption. It can pinpoint areas of inefficiency, such as poorly insulated areas or outdated appliances. It's a vital step in your journey towards an eco-friendly and economical home. An energy audit can reveal opportunities for savings hidden within your own walls. How well do you utilize natural light in your home? It's a question worth pondering. The sun graciously gifts us with free light every day, yet we often forget to take full advantage. Maximizing the use of natural light can drastically cut down your reliance on artificial lighting, saving you a considerable amount on your electric bill. Plus, it's a win-win for both you and the environment, so let's open those curtains, pull up those blinds, and let the sunshine in. Harnessing the benefits of natural light is a bright idea for your budget. Ready to step into the future with smart home technology? It's like having a personal assistant that ensures your home operates at peak efficiency. From smart thermostats that learn your schedule and adjust temperatures accordingly, to intelligent power strips that eliminate phantom power, these gadgets are designed to optimize energy use. And the best part? They can be controlled from your smartphone. No more worrying if you left the lights on. Smart home technology is the future of energy savings. Did you know saving water can impact your energy bills? This might seem surprising, but efficient water use can indirectly influence your energy expenses. For instance, less water usage means less energy for heating water. Also, efficient water use in gardening can reduce the need for energy-consuming irrigation systems. By applying water-saving techniques like low-flow fixtures and rainwater harvesting, you indirectly save energy. So remember, every drop counts. Efficient water use is a ripple effect that can lead to energy savings. Ever considered how your garden can contribute to your home's energy efficiency? Well, strategic landscaping can play a vital role in enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Planting trees and shrubs in specific areas can provide shade in the summer and windbreaks in the winter, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. Moreover, opting for native, drought-resistant plants can minimize the need for regular watering. Quite the green thumb, right? Energy-efficient landscaping is a green way to enhance your savings. As we wrap up our eco-savvy journey, remember, every step towards energy efficiency is a leap towards a healthier planet and a happier wallet. From transforming your gadgets to harnessing the sun to embarking on energy audits, we've covered a lot of ground. Now it's your turn to share your energy-saving insights. The power to make a change lies in your hands. Step into your home and make a difference, 1 watt at a time.